Well, we moved on to the raised garden beds. I milled all of this lumber from cedar trees that were on the property. Two by 10 by, well, 14. These will turn into the flower boxes or the raised garden beds inside the garden area. We're starting with 2 by 8s and then 2 by 10s. And these are so big and awkward that we have gone ahead and made a jig to cut a square cut on the boards using the skill saw. It's a lot faster than moving the boards everywhere. Slide those in all the way this way. Now that we have everything cut to length, we're going to go ahead and assemble them. For the first couple, I'm using these 5/16 by 5 1/8 rugged structural screw, big old honking thing. We're using 2 of these per corner. They're not cheap, so I'm only using 2. So the one we just assembled will be the bottom. So we're gonna go ahead and put the coated wire on the bottom of this. We're just gonna staple it down with a pneumatic stapler. This stuff is 1/4 by 1/4 nylon coated, available on Amazon. This is the roll I got off Amazon, so it's 4 feet by 100 feet. We're gonna staple this on here, and then we'll build the next box on top and take them all down for storage until we get ready to install them. So let's get this stuff put on there. Pull that edge back up. And I'm going to pull it down until it is right on the end. So that's pretty straightforward. We got them on a flat surface, screwed them all together. I'm not using glue, they're cedar. I'm using those big lag bolts, and these are true 2-inch, so they should stay together perfectly fine. And then you saw me nail on or staple on the wire mesh for the bottoms. We're gonna get the rest of these things assembled, and we'll start getting them hauled down to the garden area.
I'm gonna pick this up.
Let's sit carefully. We're going to slide it forward. We're going to rotate it up and let it slide down so this edge touches the ground. Now it's going to flip it over, okay? So slide it.
What?
Grab the end. This side, focus on this side, and we're going to drag it this way. Let go of that side. There you go. Putting this one over there. So we're gonna slide it. We're not picking it. We're sliding it.
Yeah.
Slide it.
Good.
And then rotate. Yeah, there you go.
It's only two.
Yeah, it's only two. We gotta flip this one over. Get the bad side down.
Okay.
Well, this is going to wrap up the garden box build. So this was cedar right off the property. We took the trees down, milled them all, and then cut them everything to length, screwed everything together, got the wire mesh installed, and down here in the garden out of the shop. We ended up doing 4 of the 8 by 3 feet wide, and then 1 5 by 3, and then this diagonal one, which is 8 by 3 by a little diagonal. This was to give primary access through here. Eventually there'll be a building over there where you can see that pink flag, and there'll be a door going into the building between these 2 flower boxes. So we needed lots of access to be able to bring things in and out. Overall, this is pretty straightforward, nice and easy. Nothing fancy about this. I didn't do any fancy corners, screwing the corners together. There's nothing fancy about that. Overall, it's a pretty straightforward, easy project. Pretty excited about getting some dirt in here and some plants in the beds here this spring. For now, this is where it's at. Overall, enjoyed this one. Hope you guys got something out of it. And until next time, thanks for watching.